Hi everyone, I'm Jordy, and today I'm going to tell you everything you should know about the EMEET C960 Ultra. This 4K webcam feels premium and has some promising specs, but the interesting thing is that it's under $100. So if you want to upgrade your webcam, this might be something for you. Let's quickly start the review with the unboxing. The C960 Ultra is delivered in this box, and once we open it, we already see something about the privacy cover, but more on that later. Underneath we find the necessary paperwork, the C960 Ultra itself, a 1.5 m USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And that's everything we get in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the webcam itself and focus on the design and build quality. The reason the EMEET C960 Ultra looks and feels premium is mainly because of its aluminum build. It gives the webcam a modern look, and in combination with the rounded edges, it's an absolute eye-catcher. Because of the materials EMEET has used, the webcam together with the included mount weighs around 151 grams, which really adds to its premium feel. Around the camera itself there's a lens ring with a stylish pattern, but the best part is that you can rotate it to use the privacy cover. I personally think this is a very good built-in feature because you can cover the camera without changing webcam settings on your computer. On the left and right side of the lens ring we find two microphones, which I will test later in the video. On the left side there's also an LED indicator that turns blue when the webcam is active. But keep in mind, this LED also stays blue when the privacy cover is closed but the camera is still active. To fully disable the webcam, you need to close all apps or software that are using the webcam. And at the back we find the USB-C port for connecting it to your computer. You might have noticed that a foldable webcam mount is included. The build quality is pretty good because it stays firmly in place in many positions, and you can of course also attach it to a monitor. The interesting part is that you can remove it using the screw on the bottom and attach the webcam itself to, for example, a tripod. Now let's talk about the specs of the C960 Ultra. It uses a Sony 1/1.5 inch type sensor, which provides better low light performance and better image quality than most webcams. You can shoot in 4K at 30 FPS or 1080p at 60 FPS, and they also promise ultra-fast autofocus of 0.2 seconds. You can also use it with your favorite devices and apps. It's compatible with Windows and Mac and supports apps like Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, Twitch, and so much more. For now, I've said enough about the specs. Let's check out the C960 Ultra in action. This is the image quality of the C960 Ultra in 4K at 30 FPS. Right now, I'm only using natural daylight in this room with no additional lights turned on. As for autofocus, I have to give EMEET credit here because it works very fast without any issues. But here's where it gets interesting. When I block out the daylight, you can immediately see that the low light performance is actually very good. Overall, the image quality, autofocus and low light performance are also excellent in 1080p, both at 30 and 60 FPS. So it turns out this is a very solid webcam for meetings or streaming at any time of the day. Now let's move to another important and interesting part, the audio quality. As I mentioned earlier, the C960 Ultra has two built-in microphones on the front. I will let you hear the microphone audio first without background noise and then with background noise. So this is the audio quality of the EMEET C960 Ultra microphones with no background noise at all. I'm recording the audio together with the video, and this clip is unedited, so others will also hear this audio when you are in a meeting or during a stream. And this is the audio quality of the microphones with background noise. The background noise comes from a speaker in the same room, and again, I'm recording the audio together with the video, and this clip is also unedited, but this is what it sounds like when you have background noise. The audio quality of the microphones has positively surprised me. You do hear a slight echo in the audio due to the distance from the webcam, but this could also be influenced by the room you are in. It turns out that my voice is always clear, which is an absolute plus for a $100 webcam. With EMEET Studio, which can be downloaded from the EMEET website, you can adjust the image quality using different filters and effects. You can also select the desired resolution and set the C960 Ultra to the correct mode. If you are not using separate recording software, you can also take photos or record videos in EMEET Studio. The thing is, advanced webcam software like this is always useful as it allows you to customize everything to your own preference. After using and testing it for a while, I'm very satisfied with its performance. It turns out that it's a very good webcam for meetings, streaming and even content creation. The Sony 1/1.5 inch type sensor provides better low-light performance and impressive image quality. It supports 4K at 30 FPS, the autofocus is very fast, and you can adjust the image quality to your preference in EMEET Studio. And that's not even everything. The built-in privacy cover is a very useful feature and the audio quality is better than most webcams. Everything I've mentioned combined with the current price makes the EMEET C960 Ultra an absolute recommendation if you're looking for a 4K webcam under $100. Let me know what you think of the EMEET C960 Ultra. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will try to answer them all. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated for more, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. That will be awesome and really makes me happy. For now, thanks for watching and have a great day.